Today's lighting fixture we're going to be hanging up right over here, show you what it looks like, and we're going to open up the box and show you the details of the product. Ceiling fan light fixture, very nice open blade. You have the lights right here with a wood grain type finish. All your controls are right here. You have your bracket, your receiver transmitter, remote control, pair of gloves, batteries, everything you need to install your light. So let's show you how to do this, how simple it is. You have an instruction guide and you're simply going to just loosen all the bolts over here, the screws. You're going to grab counterclockwise. We're going to go hang this up. Always shut your electric off. Have some type of light so you can see what's happening. You're going to align everything up the best you can and place on your screws to the outlets. You have two colors, blue and red. What you're going to do is loosen these two up, precision screwdriver, and put your leads in here and hang your fan. You're going to find which is your load and which is your neutral, and you're going to lock things down. Everything's all hooked up, and what you're going to do is do your best when you're up on the ladder to lock everything down, that they go on, and give a little twist. You want to make sure you get every single corner in. Everything's all hung up. You put the supplied AAA batteries in the remote control. You're going to turn on your electric. You have here is the fan on and off, brightness, dimness, and so forth. 3 speed controls, 1 hour, 2 hour, and a stop. When all plugged in, everything will work just fine. This is the off button. And when you plug in your light for the very first time with the AC, it goes on. You have here is a brightness control, and you have a dimness control. You just hold it, it'll dim down. You have here is changing to the different kelvins, as you can see. And then you have low, medium, high fans. That's high. Medium in the center. And low. You have 1 hour. It won't blink, but you have a stop. This red button shows that it's a reverse and all, so when you have it on the fan, you hit the red button. You hear it beeps. Remote control can be put anywhere. A nice looking fan, small, compact, convenient, cools off during the summertime. I hope this is a product that you may be looking for, of a ceiling fan and LED light. Enjoy your product.